You know what? I don't have heart to fly it outdoors, but for the sake of this video, let's bring it out and see how it flies in the winds. So what we're gonna find about the new C186 Max, if there is any surprising thing, watch this video all the way and I might save you some money as well. If I turn it around from this to do, okay, hold on, leave the sticks. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, assalamualaikum, greetings, Ali Jamal here. Welcome to more RC Era Helicopters video reviews. Today I have here the all new C186 Max, which is an improved version according to RC Era. So what they did is they have put a new color scheme on it. There are scale details just like the older helicopter, and they have put optical flow down there. But before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel, click that little bell icon, turn on all the notifications. And do check out my channel membership, because as channel members you get to watch all my videos before they go public. Not only that, but you get access to all the highly valuable video tutorials and how-to videos that I'm posting regularly on my channel. Enough said, let's bring the camera closer. Let me give you a closer look very quick, and then fly it and see if it flies well and if that optical flow is really working like it did on C123. Beautiful. And surprisingly, on the new BO105 Jet Ranger, it actually shocking to find out that it has an absolute beautiful position hold if you fly it with Radio Master TX16S, not with the stock radio. Taking a closer look, first off, you have another radio to go to your ever-growing huge mountain of RC Era stock transmitters, or your holy tree of RC Era transmitter. You have one more to go into that. We have a 7.4 volt 350 milliamp little battery, and we have this little helicopter. Now check this out. Good scale details. LEDs are fake on these horizontal stabilizers, okay? Good scale details. They have added some props as well. They have turbine 4 exhausts. Nice. They have handles here. Good scale details, but notice this thing. Please do notice this, what I found. The quality on the color scheme and the quality on this shell is actually really El Cheapo. Very El Cheapo. I'm really disappointed to see this kind of quality. It's really like a toy. But look at this C138. At least the color scheme is really nice. At least you see there is some quality in the build here. But to be honest, I'm disappointed on C186 Max, as the quality wise, the material quality, the color scheme quality, the paint quality is kind of disappointing. To be honest, to me it's disappointing. Also notice it's a brushed version. The tail is just like old. They didn't even upgrade or update anything, unlike these new models where the tail rotor is going to the left side and main rotor is spinning counterclockwise, just like the real helicopters there. But this one is still running the tail on the right side, tail rotor on the right side. 4-blade main rotor head as usual, just like it was before. Now, size-wise, compared to BO105 from RC Era, it's a smaller. Nothing much to see here, people. Let's fly it and see if it really flies well, and if the optical flow works well, and if it is worthy spending your pennies on it. So I'm gonna fly it with the stock radio transmitter for the sake of this video review, but my finding is that if you fly them with Radio Master TX16S, all RC Era helicopter, not only they perform better on the flight performance side, but also somehow miraculously their optical flow starts working better as well. So I'm gonna power it on, powering on the helicopter, transmitter on, up and down, binds, check everything good. Let's fly it. First, I'll do indoor flight, and if it impresses me indoors, then I will bring it outdoors. Okay, so, okay, the radio sticks are even decreasing in its movement and performance. It's like, difficult to do calibration sometimes. Okay, so calibration is done. Let's take off in speed mode 1. Goes up. Let's see how good is the optical flow. Ooh, surprised. I am surprised. It was actually holding very well, but now it's going in toilet bowl movement. Look at that. Okay, that shows there's no improvement on the main rotor head side, which they have done properly on this C123 and Bell 206. Okay, now look at that. It's getting solid and smooth again. I'm showing you everything nice and clear. Okay, I'm gonna go stationary now. Getting in toilet bowl movement again. Okay, I will turn it around. And it went around a bit. And the toilet bowl movement. Again. More toilet bowl movement. And it's going away. It's going away. It's getting crazy. All right. So, optical flow performance, you have seen the lower it gets, the closer to the ground it gets, the crazier it moves. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the optical flow performance. Closer to ground, it's getting even more crazy. If higher altitude, gets smoother, but moves. Overall, I would say at this altitude, it's satisfactory. But as you get lower, it's crazy. All right, let's fly it around. Speed mode 1. Uh-oh, what's happening? Hold on. Flying very well at this side, but that side, This is speed 1 and I feel like it's fast. Okay. Speed 2. Whoa, what's happening? Look at that. Oh, whoa. Control. This is the flight performance, people, in a speed 2. Okay. Speed 3. I can still fly it, but look, if I turn it around from this to do, okay, hold on, leave the sticks. So it's strange that when I move a stick, it just gets into this, look at that, it's strange toilet bowl movement, like very, extremely aggressive, look at that. It just goes out of control. And we are going down. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm gonna switch to speed mode 1. But still it's doing this strange toilet bowl movements a lot. Okay, forward flight, it gets a little smooth. Backward flight, a little smooth. But then it gets into these strange movement, uncontrolled movement. You know what? I'm just gonna land it. You know what? I don't have heart to fly it outdoors, but for the sake of this video, let's bring it out and see how it flies in the winds. You know, you better save your pennies. I'm gonna say it straight away. You better save your pennies and spend it on something better like EC135. Very, very highly recommended. And Bell 206 Jet Ranger from RC Era. Highly recommended, these two helicopters. Let's go out and see how it behaves in winds. Speed 3, take off. Whoa. At least it's flying. I mean, I would say in such a wind. Uh-oh, it's going away, flying away, and crashed. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna decrease the main rotor pitches. Much better? Okay, now much better. Slight increase in the head speed and slight decrease in the pitches. If you want to know how to do this quickly, check out my video tutorial. The link is in video description. I've made a detailed video tutorial about this feature, that what happens if you decrease the main rotor blade pitches and increase, and what is their effect on flight performance for increasing, decreasing the blade pitches and head speed. So it's actually flying in the wind for now, you can see, but it is not stable, people. It is very unstable helicopter. I mean, if I didn't have experience in flying RC helicopters, I would simply won't love it. I mean, love is far away, won't even like it. So the flight performance is not as stable as you will think. It does fly, does handle wind a bit, but you see how it's behaving time by time? Like out of control. Look at that. Those uncontrollable movements are horrible, man. All right, so I'm gonna land before it flies away somewhere over the rainbow. But overall, I would say, for the sake of video review, the optical flow is trying to do something, though it's all over the place. And yes, one good thing that I will honestly give this helicopter is its flight time. The flight endurance is really nice. It's actually flying, still flying without low battery warning. All right, so I'm gonna land. Ooh, that was a scratching landing. Screechy landing. So people, you have watched both indoor and outdoor flight. As I mentioned, right after indoor flight, I knew this thing wasn't worth your pennies. So please save yourself some money. Honestly speaking, RC Era, this, you really have to work more on it and make it stable. I mean, we love the C123 and this new Bell 206 Jet Ranger. They are absolutely charming, and as I mentioned, they are worth your pennies. So I mean, if you want good performance, good controls, good looking, and some good quality helicopters, people, this is not gonna be in your consideration. Look at RC Era C123 and C138, that is EC135, the new one, and the Jet Ranger Bell 206. And trust me, when you go for those helicopters, you will thank me later. Save your pennies on this one. If any questions, feel free to write comments on this video and let me know what else would you like to watch about RC Era helicopters, and I will be more than happy to post honest, straightforward video reviews for all of you. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.